Hi, so in this video I want to give you a quick overview of this LinkedIn personal brand dashboard and content calendar and how it works. So let's start from the top. We have a little section for to-dos here. You can untoggle that and check off the items. Underneath that we have the content backlog, and also you can keep track of the status of the content, if you've made the visuals, for example, or not, etc. Then we have these resources section here. First we have the LinkedIn post publishing checklist, which looks like this. Then we have the LinkedIn profile optimization checklist, which looks like this. And underneath this section we have the content calendar again, the same database as this one, but a content calendar view. And that can really help you, for example, schedule content as well visually. So if you have this content piece for Saturday, for example, this content idea, you can schedule it in for Saturday and get on working on it, working on a copy. For working on a copy, you can just click into any card and then click on this untitled with an arrow template. It's a template and you can it pre-populates when you click it. So you can write your copy here, your hook, your middle part, and your call to action, as well as any hashtags, and the first comment as well. For example, add some links there, because if you include links in the body of the post, that can reduce your reach. So just be careful with that. On the right here, we have a section where you can brainstorm new content ideas. So you have topics or main themes that you want to write about that are valuable for your audience. So for example, I write about marketing, I write about Notion, and I create content around that. But here are some other topics you could be writing about. For example, learning marketing, building a startup if you are a startup founder, marketing tools, design tips, share your personal story, memes related to design, to marketing, or to startups, or to your industry, and also some trend breakdowns, industry insights, something like that. You can add your own topics here, replace them with your own topics. Add a day of the week you want to be posting about that topic, so you can select it here. I think it really helps kind of stay consistent, and also helps you write content in advance when you know, okay, on every Monday I'm going to post a meme about the industry, on every Tuesday I'm going to post about building a startup. It can really help streamline your content creation. So here is this column called Add Content Idea. You just click into it and you can type in new idea like this. And then as you can see, it appeared here, this new idea. Also, I have this column for source of inspiration, which means it's just, you can add account names, you can add links of where you get inspired for this content theme. So for example, for memes, I really like the page Marketing Millennials on LinkedIn. So I just added it here as a reminder for myself, okay, if you're out of ideas, you can go there and you can get some content ideas from this account and from other accounts. And there's nothing wrong with getting inspired. Everyone is doing it. Don't copy paste exactly what other people are doing, but you can get inspired by other people's content. But yeah, this is basically the template, and I hope you enjoy it. This is the template I use to grow my account from 200 followers to 2,200 followers now, and also our Magic Design brand account by 3 times in under 6 months. So I'm sure it will help you get started and get consistent on LinkedIn. And if you have any feedback or any questions, just contact me and we'll figure it out. Bye bye!